All right, boys and girls, today we're going to practice our sight words. We're going to read them, spell them, and read them. I want you to try and do it with me. If you need to listen this time, that's okay. Then go back and listen to the video again and you do it with me. Okay, let's get started. 8. A-T-E. 8. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. Then. T-H-E-N. Then. Was. W-A-S. Was. Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. All right, now we're going to try and play a game. We're going to read the words as we see them, and then we're going to play I Spy. I want you to try to find the word before I do. So first, let's read them. 8. Said. Good. Then. Could. Was. All right. I spy the word said. Try and find the word said. This is the word said. Did you beat me? Okay, let's try another one. Good. Good. Find that word. This is the word good. Did you find it first? Let's try again. How about the word 8? 8. This is the word 8. Okay, remember you're trying to beat me. Try and find this next word before I do. Try the word could. Could. This is the word could. All right, let's see. How about we try the word was. Was. All right, here I go. This is the word was. Did you find it first? Let's do one more. Find the word then. Then. This is the word then. Nice job playing that game with me. If you want to play it again, just start the video over. Great job, boys and girls.